today's video, displaying pens. Welcome to my workshop, and in today's video we're going to make a stand to display some pens. Cheers! The hardware and materials I'm going to use, this is becoming one of my favorites to use, a €2 cutting board from Ikea and some stainless steel screws. Okay, I'm ready to go. Got my pen and paper. Let's get designing and do a cutting list and get cutting. So I'm going to make a very basic stand at a slight curve. I've done my cutting list. I've marked out everything I need. I've got a backing with a handle on it, a base. I have a top pen holder and a bottom pen holder. The bottom will have holes in it, and I have a flat bit specially for that's tapered, that can take the pens very nicely. Okay, so now I'm going to start drilling and cutting, and I'll see you on the other side. Almost done. I'm busy assembling. Just got a few more holes to drill and then finish off the assembling, and then we can see what it looks like. And there you go. One display stand done. I'm happy with my first attempt, and I'll look at other options and other ways to display. As usual, If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, let me have them in the comment section below. Please subscribe to my channel. Happy casting, happy pen turning, and until the next time, lekker lekker.